Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since we are about to hit 2023, I just want to share with you some of the style tips that can help us through the next year. My tip number one would be how to wear those see-through blouses and shirts. And I would definitely tell you, instead of a regular bra, go after a lacy bralette. Honestly, I just think it's like such a huge difference. I don't like, for some reason, how I look when I'm wearing a regular bra underneath these white see-through shirts, but when I go after a lacy bralette, I just like the look. Or another way how you can style these see-through shirts is, for example, if you go after those really like nude or like skin tone sort of shirts that are body hugging. So if you're wearing one and then over it you pop on your white see-through white blouse, yeah, that is just going to look like you don't have anything underneath it. So that is what I absolutely adore. So that is my tip number one. My tip number two includes blue skinny jeans. For quite some time I was trying to make my style appear elegant and classy while wearing blue skinny jeans, and I'm giggling right now because after so many different style ideas that I came up with, I never managed to do so. So I was just like, okay, you know what, the blue skinny jeans, I'm not going to wear you anymore. Like, I will wear them for those casual everyday looks with sneakers and simple shirt. But if I want to look elegant, a little bit more classier and representable, I'm going to go after a black skinny jeans. Black skinny jeans are such a simple solution for those days when you want to feel comfortable, because I honestly feel comfortable in my black skinny jeans, but yet you can look even classy and representable. Of course, it all comes down to how you style it. Maybe it all comes down to me, I'm not sure, but this is my own style tip that I know I'm going to hold on to, and that is just get rid of blue skinny jeans when it comes to those a little bit more elevated sort of looks. My next style tip is regarding crop tops. I absolutely adore crop tops, especially during spring summer days. I just love wearing them, especially when it comes to high-waisted pants. So I just want to point out one detail that can happen, and that is your belly button can often be seen when you're wearing crop tops if your pants are not high-waisted enough. So when you're wearing your crop tops, try to have some sort of trousers or jeans that are high-waisted enough to cover your belly button, because for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I don't like when belly button can be seen. I don't find that sort of look to be elegant. Next tip includes mixing different styles. So for example, if you're wearing something that is skinny on your bottoms, always go after something that is a little bit oversized as your top. So always try to mix around those pieces. Like, don't go after skinny jeans and skinny top. I just don't like the appearance of it. But yeah, what I would do is I would actually wear skinny jeans and then on top something that is a little bit having the loose fit. I believe that looks absolutely much more elegant and chic and just so much better. But if you actually do want to wear your skinny jeans and then above something that is skinny, then go after oversized blazer on top. Again, that is just going to give dimension to your look, and you're just going to appear effortless and chic and put together, not tacky at all. So that is my tip number 4. Always try to mix different sort of styles, and what I actually love to mix is my skinny jeans and then on top oversized shirt, and then to accentuate my waist. This sort of styling is definitely recently one of my favorites, but yeah, always mix your styles. You will see that it's just going to elevate your look, and it's just going to make you appear so much more elegant without you even trying. So yeah. My next style tip includes all of those glittery pieces. Right now we are in the middle of the festive season, and if you go to the stores, if you go to the online website stores, you will see so many different glittery pieces. My honest advice would be to always go after those glittery pieces that come with a little bit more daintier glittery details instead of those like huge chunky glittery details. Those ones are just looking so tacky. Like, I'm someone who absolutely loves glitter and loves everything sparkly, but I also would like to wear those pieces throughout the years. And if you got these dainty pieces, dainty glittery pieces, you're definitely going to find them much more useful than those glittery pieces with chunky glittery details. My next tip that is really bothering me and one that I really can't stand sometimes is try to cut down always those hanger straps. Like, I'm sure you notice them, like we all have them when you buy something like some dress, and yeah, maybe you actually once you wear that dress that you just bought, you don't even think about those hanger straps until they start poking out. Like, that is just so annoying to me. And recently I just made one video. I was wearing this black dress, and then there was like a hanger strap just being outside a little bit. So yeah, I actually forgot to cut it, but that is my style tip for all of you. Just want to purchase something, check out if there are some hidden hanger straps. Try to cut those immediately so they don't bother you later. My next style tip that I believe is really important one, and that would be, once you find a pair of trousers that look good on you, then just go back to the store and buy that same pair of trousers in all possible tones that you like, that they have on disposal, because you will see you're going to be so much happier while having a pair of trousers that look absolutely flawless for your body shape, your body type, and yeah, that is just going to make your wardrobe be happy as well on a long run, simply because it's going to be so much easier for you to style, to have what to style. And the final tip would be, stop being a slave of numbers. This tip just screams my name, because I would always go to the store and I would just insist upon wearing a number that I believe I'm wearing, but it's not always that case. So, like, sometimes I would fit a certain design of trousers or jeans, I would wear size S, but in some I wouldn't fit not even L. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, it all comes down to your body shape, body type, but yeah, stop being a slave to all of those numbers, because they're just numbers, they are irrelevant, okay? What is relevant is how those pants look on you. So if they look good on you, then just don't think about the number, okay? Just wear them. If they make you feel happy, then that's the most important that you want to achieve. So yeah, girls, these will be all of the tips that I wanted to share with you. I really hope you enjoyed these style tips, and I believe these style tips are definitely, when it comes to me, going to be relevant for 2023, but not just for the next year. I believe these style tips are relevant for the next 100 years. So yeah, that will be it in today's video. This is the last video for this year. I see you all in the next year, and I wish you all new year in advance. So yeah, that will be it. Thanks all for watching, and I see you all in the next one. Bye.